Welcome to another video, guys. Today I will be showing you how to use OBS. So the first thing I want to say is I found a lot of videos that do not help at all for like new people that are trying to make videos or even just want to record some games to do anything. But anytime the YouTubers tell that, and I tried like a bunch of them, they don't work. So I found out something. So go to File, Settings, go to Output, and then do not put it on Advanced. Keep it on Simple. Keep it on Simple, and then Audio Bit. If you're like, we're not worrying about streaming today. We're worrying about the recording. So the recording. Some of you guys can use MP4, but if you guys can't use FLV or MKV, some of you guys can't use MP4, but I'm pretty sure all of you guys can use it. So, and then you can make a new folder to save it to something else, so you guys can know how to use it. So if I press browse, and then if I go to, I can put it here, and I can put it here. So that's how I do that. And then I select that folder to do it. And then so if you don't want it to lag recording quality, you can make it high quality, lossless quality, indistinguishable quality, all that. And do not put it on advanced. Do not put it on advanced, because then that's for like if you were like a bigger person that has more experience with OBS. So OBS is pretty nice, but if you don't know how to use it, then that's the problem. And do not put it on advanced, because that's for like people who can like are more experienced with OBS, or like have more advantage over it. So I'd say you keep it on simple, and then if you have an encoder, I tell you to use that, because if um x264 x264 it's not that good, because it like has a more CPU usage strikage, and then it might lag your game. So that's why I'd say you don't use it. So that's why. So if you have an encoder, I'd say you use it. If you have I have hardware. Wait, let me see. Okay. We do not want to mess with the this. Do not put it on. If you have more experience. And I tried this without looking into a video. I was like messing around with everything. So, and then we go to video. This, if you have like a really good CPU or computer, like a beefed up computer, or like a really good one, I'd say you put on. But if you want to save like storage, put it on 48 or 30. If you don't have a really good computer, put it on 48 or 29 or 30. That'll usually help it more. You might experience some lag, but I'd say that's pretty good. Now, how you find out? So you right click, because my the recorder that I can't record, because then it won't let me use the settings. So you right click, and then it'll say this show display settings, and then it'll show you what you're using, what's like resolution you're using. So that's how. And then the hotkeys are like, if you I'd say you use F10 because usually some video games don't usually have that as a GUI. And there's more things, and sorry. Yeah, and that's actually all it has. We don't want to mess with it advanced. So, and that's pretty good. You're all ready to record, and then when you record the video, if you want to try and see what I'm saying is true, just record the video, try it out, and then it'll show you what I mean. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.